Want to know how to analyze your Mailchimp campaign performance effectively? In this video, we're diving deep into the key metrics and tools you need to track in Mailchimp to get the most out of your campaigns. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal a free trial offer that'll help you optimize your email campaigns for maximum impact. Before we jump in, remember that you can use Mailchimp for free from the first link in the description below, with some exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. First, let's start with open rates. Open rates give you an immediate sense of how well your subject line and preview text are performing. A low open rate might indicate that your subject lines aren't compelling enough, or your emails might be landing in spam. The key here is testing and iterating with A/B testing to improve your results. Next, click-through rates, CTR, are crucial in understanding how engaging your email content is. Are your subscribers taking action after opening your emails? If your CTR is low, this might signal that the call to action, CTA, or your email design needs improvement. Try simplifying your message or making your CTAs more prominent. The third thing you should focus on is conversion rates. Tracking conversions helps you understand if your email campaign is meeting its ultimate goal, whether that's making a sale, booking an appointment, or signing up for something. Make sure your goal is clearly defined and track conversions through Mailchimp's e-commerce integrations or custom tracking links. Now, let's talk about bounce rates. High bounce rates could be an indicator that your email list is outdated or that you're sending emails to invalid addresses. This is why maintaining a clean email list is vital for a successful campaign. Regularly remove hard bounces and try to engage with subscribers who might be inactive through re-engagement campaigns. Next, unsubscribes. This metric helps you gauge if your emails are resonating with your audience. A high unsubscribe rate might point to issues with frequency, content, or relevance. Pay close attention to when unsubscribes happen and analyze your email timing and content strategy. Now, moving on to engagement over time. Looking at engagement trends over the course of your campaigns will help you spot patterns. Are people opening your emails at certain times of the day or week? By understanding when your audience is most engaged, you can schedule your future emails for better performance. The seventh thing to consider is list growth. If your list isn't growing, or if you're losing more subscribers than gaining, that's a red flag. It's important to continuously grow your list with quality subscribers who are genuinely interested in what you're offering. Consider offering incentives or improving your sign-up process. Finally, let's dive into segmentation and personalization. Mailchimp allows you to create highly targeted segments of your email list, so you can send more personalized content. Personalized emails tend to have higher engagement, so tracking how your segments perform compared to your general audience can give you insight into how well your personalization strategies are working. And just before I wrap up, here's the deal. I mentioned earlier that you can use Mailchimp for free with our exclusive bonus offer. If you want to try it out with additional features to really hone in on your campaign performance, check out the link in the description to get started with the extended free trial. By tracking all of these metrics, open rates, click-through rates, conversions, bounces, unsubscribes, engagement, list growth, and segmentation, you'll be on the path to significantly improving your Mailchimp campaign performance. Keep testing, keep optimizing, and watch your results grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial below and start analyzing your Mailchimp campaigns the right way.